everybody, live from Fox Labs. I've got RadFxSat. Just received it today back from TIVAC, where it was subjected to the shock test that's required for our launch. It is in the test pod, which is a simulation of the P pod, just one U. And so I'm going to take that out of the box. And then take RadFxSat out of the P pod, or the test pod, I should say. Things packed very well. Let's see if I can get a good grip. There we go. That test pod adds quite a bit of weight, so it's a hefty little thing right now. I'm going to have to find some tools in order to disassemble the test pod, because I have not dealt with one. Bob Davis packed it up into the test pod. So I'll have to find the right hex wrench to try to unpack it, I guess. Not sure what I have in the Fox Labs supply kit here. Take a look and see if we got one the right size. That one's just a little big, I think. Does fit there, so that's a good fit. And one slightly smaller, like this one perhaps. There we go. Doesn't get any better than that, huh? Figured I'd have to go hunting through my toolkit to try to find the right size, but got lucky. So we did survive, at least physically, by their inspection, the shock testing. Very good. What I'm going to do is we'll take it out of the test pod and then put it through what we call a short functional test and an aliveness test to see that things are working electronically inside. And then take it to Boxborough, Massachusetts on October 10th and do the vibration and the bake-out that week. Got a little bit of an allergy problem here. Sorry about the voice. These set screws hold the simulated pusher plate against the satellite. As I said, it's got the dimensions and the rails and the feel of the P pod, if you will, so that you can, we actually will put it back into this and bolt it to the vibe table plate. So the test pod serves as the interface to the vibe table so that we can test how the satellite handles the vibrations of the launch. The bake out, the satellite is all alone out of the test pod, sitting in the vacuum chamber. And that's about the story there. Got several screws to undo in order to get the satellite out of the test pod. So that takes care of the pusher plate. I'll set it like this and remove about 9, 10, 11, 12 screws that hold on the top of the test pod. I didn't tweet about this or anything because I wasn't even sure I was going to put it on the air. And I thought it might be kind of boring. On the other hand, I thought, well, somebody might want to watch, so it'll be in the archive if nothing else. So we're looking to launch. RadFxSat is scheduled for March 16th, 2017 aboard an Atlas II rocket from Vandenberg Air Force Base. I'll get my official Fox Labs. You do not want to lose any of these screws container. Actually got a few bits in it from the engineering model, because I had to take the engineering model apart. Saw that on another video, so I could send the experiment boards back to Vanderbilt. I need to make a little room here. I think kind of bonks on the cabinet there, doesn't it? Let's see if I can eliminate that a bit. There we go. Slightly annoying. Gotta have a lot of slack in the wrist strap though, because, you know, I wind up reaching over to the other side of the desk for stuff. So if you use just the single wrist strap, typical connector size, it's never quite big enough to do what you need to do. Big enough meaning long enough. Okay, this ought to lift off. Oh, got a little bit of Kapton tape on here, it looks like. There we go. Plus Z side of RadFxSat. Now, you can see that pretty well in the video. Now I've got to do something that comes under the ITAR heading. So I'm not going to be able to show any more on the video right now. There's some things that went on in the testing. Then I have to make an inspection of RadFxSat for some artifacts of that. RadFxSat, like I said, checks out fine. But there might be some FOD in here. And I can't tell you about any more about that. So I'm going to go ahead and shut off the video. You see RadFxSat in the test pod being ready to be pulled out after I do my inspection. And I'll probably go live when I pull it out again. So I don't know when that'll be. Possibly tonight. I'm thinking probably Sunday. So I'd figure on Sunday. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little tiny bit. That's it for tonight. Bye.